10 most badass ground vehicles in the U.S. Army's arsenal. The United States has arguably been involved in more military conflicts than any other nation on Earth today. It's not too surprising, then, that the country fields one of the most formidable military forces in existence. In 2019, a whopping $718.69 billion was spent on the military alone. A good chunk of that amount helped maintain an extensive array of ground-based fighting vehicles and conduct research into next-generation combat vehicles for the future. These military vehicles are often classified according to their roles that can include something as mundane as troop transport and routine reconnaissance to highly sophisticated missile interception or command and control missions. Number 10. M1 Abrams Tank. This battle-hardened veteran is one of the most feared battle tanks in the combat theater today. The Abrams first entered service with the United States Army in 1980. However, it was not until the 1991 Gulf War that it was first deployed in combat, scoring several kills and losing none to direct enemy fire. The latest variant has been made even more combat capable with an upgraded trophy active protection system. The tank's armament includes a 120mm main cannon and a 50mm heavy caliber machine gun that can deal devastating amounts of damage to anyone on the receiving end. Nine. M1126 Striker Combat Vehicle. The Striker combat vehicle is an 8-wheeled armored fighting vehicle that serves as a mobile combat platform for support operations on the battlefield. The vehicle comes in several configurations that include mortar carrier, commander's vehicle, and engineer squad vehicle. This makes it highly versatile and able to perform a wide range of combat operations that range from command and control, reconnaissance, to light direct enemy engagement. The Striker can travel at speeds up to 60 miles per hour and cover an impressive 300-mile distance on a single gas fill-up. 8. M60A1 Armored Vehicle Launched Bridge. Now here's a military vehicle that's known for something other than fighting capabilities. Instead of a cannon, the turret is mounted with a specialized 60 by 13-foot hinged bridge that unfolds and then detaches to allow other military vehicles to get over obstacles like small streams or trenches. The tank shares a platform with the M60 Patton main battle tank, and the bridge is designed to carry the weight of the heaviest armored tanks in the U.S. Army's arsenal. It's a clever design that greatly enhances the operational capabilities of U.S. ground forces. 7. Bradley Fighting Vehicle. The Bradley is a tracked fighting vehicle platform that was named after General Omar Bradley, a well-respected military strategist that oversaw America's military policies in the Korean War. It was designed to complement the force of the M1 Abrams tank and has served in that role for almost 4 decades now. There are 2 main variants, the M2 Infantry Fighting Vehicle and the M3 Cavalry Fighting Vehicle. The fighting vehicle can be rapidly deployed to the front lines for direct enemy engagement. Its armament includes a 25mm Bushmaster cannon and an anti-tank missile launcher. 6. M1150 Assault Breacher. As the name implies, the Assault Breacher vehicle was designed to charge through minefields, clearing a path for other vehicles to follow. The massive vehicle is built on an M1 Abrams platform and, as expected, comes heavily armored to withstand explosions from powerful mines and other types of explosive ordnance on the battlefield. To perform this role effectively, the M1150 is fitted with a full-width mine plow, lane marking systems, and a protection system for defense against attacks. It can also be remotely operated, minimizing crew-related risks. 5. M142 Highmars. The High Mobility Anti-Rocket System, Highmars, can fire up to 6 rockets in rapid succession at enemy formations. The launcher system was developed in the late 1990s and is mounted on a 5-ton M1140 truck frame. Instead of 6 rockets, the M142 Highmars can be configured to carry a single MGM-140 Attack MS missile, a precision weapon that can hit targets 160 kilometers away. The 5-ton truck platform can travel at speeds of up to 53 miles per hour and cover almost 30 miles without needing to refuel. 4. The Flyer Advanced Light Strike Vehicle. The all-terrain capabilities of this vehicle have made it a favorite deployment platform for U.S. Special Forces. It's also flexible for quick configuration to suit a variety of combat missions like reconnaissance and troop transport. There is a weapon turret that can be mounted with a variety of weapons, offering 360-degree coverage and making it ideal for light assault operations. The Flyer Strike vehicle offers a return of up to 24 miles per hour when traveling at speeds of 40 miles per hour, which is quite impressive for a military vehicle. 3. M117 Guardian. The Guardian is a troop transport platform that can be used where the troops require a vehicle with more armor protection than what's offered by the Humvee. The Guardian weighs a hefty 15 tons, but is powered by a diesel engine that generates 828 pound-feet of torque, enough to propel the vehicle at speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. The armored vehicle is not without defenses too, and can be fitted with 2 machine guns and a grenade launcher to keep enemies at bay. 2. ANTW1 Avenger. This is a ground-based vehicle that was designed to hunt down enemy vehicles roaming the skies. The Avenger can be manned by a crew of 2 and is essentially a gyro-stabilized turret mounted on a high-mobility, multi-purpose wheeled vehicle. That turret is armed with 8 Stinger missiles, deadly short-range surface-to-air missiles that can fly at over Mach 2 speeds out to a range of 8 kilometers. The Avenger also carries a 50-caliber M3P automatic machine gun to cover the missile's dead zone and engage ground targets. 1. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, THAAD. Unlike the Avenger system, this vehicle-borne platform can engage missiles further out. It's an anti-ballistic missile defense system designed to tackle ballistic missiles in their terminal phase. It can engage targets that are just outside the Earth's atmosphere at a range of up to 200 kilometers, thus minimizing the effects of weapons of mass destruction before they hit the ground. The THAAD system was a direct result of lessons learned from the ballistic Scud missile attacks during the Gulf War. Interestingly, the missile interceptors carry no explosive warhead and instead rely on kinetic energy generated by impact to destroy the incoming threat.